Pare Kevin.
When we go back to Cebu,
Yung isa pa.
Oo. Hindi, papaano ko sa hobby shop. Dito?
Kevin, check mo ang iyong lapel.
Lagot ka.
Patay tayo diyan.
May I borrow?
sa akin noon, naka-off.
I came from the bathroom, I turned it off.
Breakfast. Hanggang lunch ata.
What did you have to do?
Lip sync.
Pom-pom, gila.
Sorry po.
Tum, 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 tudum. Kaya natin yan.
Anong araw ngayon?
When you walk home. Linggo.
I'll even let you
Ba't ang puti nung ngipin ko dyan? Siguro ito, Dennis, napakinis na rin yung mukha natin sa picture. Para may daya na rin sa tingin mo.
Oo, ano ba yun?
Kantahin mo yan kay Denise. Put
Yeah.
to bed when you've had too much to drink.
Matiri!
Ito yun yung kanta.
If you do get it.
Wedding singer na palagi
Kung kumakanta siyang gano'n, nagpipaint siya.
Oo.
Come on, guys.
Where it gets it.
Hindi, Beach Boys.
Do it.
Kuya's gonna make you stick all the pieces
That's why I didn't say anything because I don't know if you...
alam mo yan?
Yung kanta? Hindi, meron din siyang kanta na siya nag-compose. Adam Sandler.
Oh, yung nasa...
Nung nasa beach sila.
Anong tono nun?
Or mold more.
Kanta niya yung sa ano...
Hindi, ano yung sa wedding singer, di ba?
You know it,
Sa Armageddon yun yung loko-loko. Pero I won't. Sa wedding singer yun yung kumakanta. Sa Divine says. Someone daw na maganda pero hindi mo pwedeng...
You can't get with her.
Yeah.
Pero she's pretty.
Someone that you want to be with, pero...
It's just the girl next door.
Oh, it's just the girl next
door. Who was next door?
Ha?
Everybody knows she's the
Parang ano?
Sa akin, it's more on a simple girl. That's it.
Simple? No.
Yeah.
Ako, it's like she's
Parang
really
kapitbahay
pretty.
mo na.
Yeah.
Na t-shirt lang, parang nasa bata.
I love that
From
movie.
Disturbia.
I forgot.
Siya ba yun si ano?
Shia LaBeouf and...
Anong kanta?
The Asian dude, his friend, the Asian dude, and then the chick.
Yung galing ng girl na
Like...
Serbia ba yun?
In the greasy moonlight.
House
Yung ba yan?
house arrest siya nun, di ba?
Yeah, he's in house arrest.
Yeah, yeah,
He
yeah.
got into a fight.
Love that movie. Punches in the... What would your father think?
That's a really good movie. And
Tapos may killer din sa ano neighborhood niya.
Hindi. Ano ba? Disturbia ba yun?
I saw... You know the killer in that movie? I watched the documentary with John Adams, and he played President Washington, so I couldn't take it serious. I'm like,
Firewall.
Have you seen
Di ba may movie din na Firewall?
Top Gun pa rin sa akin?
What is it?
The old school.
Grabe. Yun yung ringtone ko. Ano nga yun?
Hindi ko alam.
Yung kanta ng Top Gun.
The old,
Yung
the funny
maglalanding
one.
sila.
The funny one.
No, that was... Yun yung
Oh my
spoof.
gosh, what is that movie
Tom
called?
Cruise.
wait, Top Gun, the one with the airplane?
Oo.
With the jets.
Yeah. Alam mo yung after lumabas yung Top Gun the next year, double yung recruitment ng
Ano yan, Kevin?
sa pilots nila.
Shank, Redemption, Shank.
Yun yung ringtone ko eh. Oh, lahat ng gusto mong alamin.
Oo. I want a movie night with popcorn.
Bagay may cellphone na internet.
Sorry. Sorry, Kevin. Ay, gumagalaw pa yung utak ko dito. Ikaw hindi. May ano pa nga yun sa akin eh. May, di ba yung parang may radio muna siya sa tower tapos yan yung ano ko.
Anong unit sila para Slater?
Hindi, kasi yung B, parang, para sa ano, B, international. Yeah. B.
Like such.
Panood mo yung entire cartoon series?
Yeah.
So what?
So, kainis. Oh, towards the ending, it does not make sense. Does not make sense at all.
Doesn't Cable come from the future and
yeah,
a lot of things
so,
happen.
like a lot happened where you could tell like something happened with
the writer,
like the characters and the writers and stuff. Like the voices, nagpalit yung boses yung characters.
Napalitan.
Napalitan yung boses. Tapos yung itsura yung characters. Iba.
A lot of things changed.
You could tell, and then the stories just didn't make sense, and then it just ended.
And we're bored now. Next story. Napanood niyo yung last?
Yung Simpsons din nagka-problema na sila ngayon.
Talaga?
Oo, kasi every year, diba, increase. Hanggang ngayon, hindi na sila makapag...
nag-iiba yun nga yung ano nila, no? Drawing.
What went wrong?
This Family Guys, the shit.
Hindi na nila ma-afford yung 12 writers.
I love that.
Ng bosses, ng voice-overs.
That's one of the
Barkman.
the longest one.
In history.
Barkman.
Talo sila sa Family Guy.
Spider-Pig.
Spider-Pig.
Super cow.
I love The Simpsons.